MaxL One. Let's see a before and after here. So here is a before. I'll just kind of get a little closer on here so you can kind of see the dust and that, and some spots. Yeah, that's me in the camera. It's hard to see with the how light it is. Let's see if I can get a better angle of it. You can kind of see how dirty it is and all this. So I'm going to give this a once over with that MaxL One. You can kind of see on this how dusty it is. And then I'll give you a spin around after I've done the whole car, because we've just done this little strip here on the back. And then I'll give you a walk around again afterwards to see, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, here's the tires. That's after, that's before. That's before. So you can tell the difference there using this same product. Okay, and there's that wheel after I cleaned it. So it's, see, that was that wheel, but you can kind of see it really does do a nice shine on it. Cleans it up real well. So you can use it on pretty much everything. It's nuts. It's cool. Okay, and here's the after. I'll go up here so you can see the up top. There's the upper glass, just nice and shiny. You can see here, it really gives it a good shine on the wheels. I'll show you the before and after on the wheels. I'll just kind of pan around the car here so you can see, like, it really does give it a shine. This is not paid. I'm not paid to advertise these guys, but you can see, I mean, it just really makes it like a mirror glass finish. I'm really impressed. I know it's a little spendy to buy, but all in all, I've been really impressed with it so far. And I use it on everything, all the metals, the glass, the tires, the rims. Very nice. As you can see, it really gives that Beamer a nice shine.